Yes, digital product family, hope you guys are well. Guys, I'm going to show you on this video how to find those unsaturated niches within the Tumbler niche and how to get those so that you can get the amazing passive income. I'm going to show you some amazing strategy that I'm going to just give away so that you're able to implement it and just use it to find those little gems that you need to get. Because as you know, with Etsy, if you're not quick, it gets real busy out there. So let's get on this real quick. And like I keep saying, listen to Etsy, because Etsy will talk to you. And if it talks to you, listen hard. So check this out, guys. But before we do, as usual, if you love digital products, you love creating, selling, and all of that amazing stuff, please hit a like, subscribe, smash that notification bell so you can get all of my videos in your feed. Now, this one's crazy. Check it out. This is how one strategy that I use to find those Tumbler niches. Check this out, guys. Look at this. So I just type in Tumbler, right? As soon as I put in Tumbler, it's telling me what I should do. Look at it. It's telling me already, like it's talking to me. Look, Tumbler, Tumbler wrap, Tumbler with a straw, Tumbler mock-up, Tumbler cup, Tumbler water glasses. Boom. It's telling you everything. Now check it out. And also on the sides, I get the monthly searches, but that's because I've got EVERBEE, my SEO extension. Right, check out the links in my description for everything I use. But check this out. Look, Tumbler, right? Tumbler. Then I'm gonna go into add something like, I could say floral, right? I could say floral, or I might just take this out. Remember, just add these keywords. Sometimes just have a look. Tumbler 3D, right? Anything else coming up? No. So maybe I'll do it the other way. 3D Tumbler. Look at this. Now it's talking to me. Check it out, guys. It's talking to me. Look, 3D Tumbler wrap, right? We know that. That's straightforward. But let's go down here. Look at this. 3D Tumbler wrap butterflies. 3D Tumbler wrap Halloween. Yeah? So now it's telling me something. This is what people are looking for. They're typing it in. Okay? And this is what I'm saying. So let's just go with those three words. 3D Tumbler Halloween. Wrap Halloween. Yeah? Wrap Halloween. Let's just see that. Let's see what we get, right? This is the kind of part of the research. Now, what's nice is brought it down to a 23,000 search, which is decent. Like it was, what was it before? It was just crazy. I mean, what's Tumbler, right? Tumbler was mad, right? Even 3D Tumbler, just 3D Tumbler itself, look at that, 188,000. You can't do anything with that, right? So this is what I'm saying. It will, once you do your long tail keywords, it narrows down the search, which actually allows you to be able to rank if you're going to design for this. 23,000 is good to get into. Now, then I go to step 2 of my analysis. Now that I got my long tail keyword and where I'm focused, because I'm focused now on Halloween, because obviously it depends sometimes on the time of year. Like right now, this is a great time to kind of try and get into check out my playlist on Halloween designs as well, guys, because I've done it already. But this one's specific on niche finding. Now this is what I like to do, guys. I like to go to product analytics, and then I want to see who's doing good, because I want to just look at them, see who's doing decent, making decent money. Look at this one. It's a mad one already. 2-month listing. It's not even old, man. It's a 2-month-old listing. That's mad. It's making $3,300 a month. I know why, because it's a big. Is it a bundle? Yeah, it's a big bundle. It's a big Halloween bundle. Okay, I'm gonna come back to this one, but I just wanted to see somebody. Yeah, I could see it. Look at this. Right, already. Let me just go to the monthly revenue. Let me go back to monthly revenue. Sorry, guys, I'm back and forth, but check it out. Right, so the top sellers. Okay, look at this. You even got a 1-month listing. Now this is interesting, right? This is very interesting. Look, there's so many new ones in the game making money. Look, 1 month, 2 month listings. Well, these are just like new. But I'm going to go to the big one, 3,312. Only been out for 2 months. Like, that's nothing, right? Check this out. Check this out. This one's killing it, obviously. They've got all these keywords in it as well. Halloween Tumbler, spooky fall, Tumbler wrap. These are all keywords in the title, which they're ranking for. Making 3,312, right? Let's have a look at this listing. What makes it so special? I'm going to give you the tips of what makes it so special. First of all, it's giving you 170 Halloween Tumbler designs. People love their bundles. Bundles also will help in the rankings as well, by the way. Okay, so when you do your bundles, it will also help. So I've seen this one before. It's got really fantastic also designs, clean designs, really nice, bright, colorful, but with that Halloween theme. Also having characters like a cat, people like cats, but with a sort of Halloween sort of idea with it. So what they've got is they're touching on things, and people look for like cartoon witches, and you can see they're basically also skulls people love. So they've added designs that are combining Halloween with other themes, niches. So that is also helping it, right? But the fact they got 170 Halloween different styles, 20 ounce is popular, probably the most popular kind of wrap size. Straight skinny, 20 ounce straight skinny is very popular, guys. So this is a big reason why it's also selling well. And obviously, it goes without saying, they got really nice mock-ups, right, to show you exactly what it looks like when you buy it. Very realistic, very cool. So these are all things that kind of add to this design. So this guy, this designer, whoever it is smashing it, right? I'm going to leave that alone for a second. I'll tell you why I'm going to leave it alone. Because this store, I think if I remember correctly, it's quite a big store. It's a big bestseller. It's made 322,000 sales, so it's a big store. And the reason why I don't want to go deep into that is because they may be getting traffic from other places, through other ways to their store. So I don't really want to focus on that. I actually want to focus on somebody that is selling it, that may be in a newish store, right? If I'm going for a newish store, but they're doing fantastically well, then that's something that I can really look at. Now I'll tell you one thing that this listing I can already see right now is the 3D inflated style is quite popular. The 3D inflated style design, Tumbler wrap style. Okay, you'll see that people are buying that more and more. Now the thing about this listing, I can't even see any side images. Is it just one image? Right, this is just one image, guys. Wow. Okay. Now let's just see how much it's making. It's making at the minute, and it's got this kind of witch style, 1,623. That's pretty damn good. That's pretty good, guys, right? Now I want to just check out the store very quickly. It's a bestseller. It's a new one, but it's a bestseller. Okay, not as big as the other store, not as big, but they do have a lot of listings. Right, so relatively big, but here's another one. That's another inflated one. So we can see I'm getting clues that here's another inflated one. Actually, there's quite a few here, inflated style single listings that are doing good money. This is making 2,160, guys, right? This kind of spooky ghost style 3D inflated. So what it's telling us is giving us another clue that 3D inflated is something maybe to consider. Like I said, how much is this making? This is making approximately 2,132. Okay, let me just very quickly look at the store, see how big it is, if it's massive. They've been around, but what they're doing is they're focused 623 listings. They're focused on these inflated style retro spooky wraps. Okay, let me just very quickly analyze the store itself. This is what I'm saying, guys. This is this quick analysis. Boom, boom, boom. All these are quite new, quite fresh. So they've actually brought out a lot of these inflated style, and they're all actually making money. They're all making money. Look at these. I know this one's making way more, but they're all making, look at this, 2,000, 1,500, 192. So what it's telling me that they are now focused on pushing on 3D inflated Tumbler wrap styles. And it looks like it's something that, is becoming more and more popular. Look at these. These are all making serious cash. Wow, that is making some serious cash. Now, So those are the hints, guys. I'm giving you a few tips right now, which is the Tumbler apps right now to kind of get into, kind of do the niche into. And look, this store is not actually that old. I thought it was older than that. It's actually not as old as I thought. It's only 4 months old. And at the beginning, they look, no sales from. That's why I keep saying, don't worry about if you're not making sales for the first, second, third month. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter in the end. As long as you keep producing listings, you're looking at trends, looking at niches, you will make that money for a fact. Now look at this: 4 months nothing, 3 months nothing. Guys, look at this. This is so cool to look at. 3 months nothing. Look, they're trying to look, and slowly look. This is where it started to kick on, when they started to do these 3D inflated style. That's when it started to make money. They started to understand that this is where the money's at. So if you're looking at Tumbler apps right now, look at these: 2-month-old listing, 1-month-old listing. And for a 4-month-old store, this is fantastic. It's a new store, newish store, and it's making money on recent listings. This is a really big tip. And they're focused on 3D inflated designs. And what they do is they combine it. So what you do is you have your 3D inflated. Let's just use this big one as an example, right? You do your 3D inflated, but you focus on a season. You focus on Halloween, you focus on Christmas, you focus on something specific, okay? And this is where you can actually combine to make that money. Me personally, I think if they did a bundle as well, they did a big bundle of all of these spooky Halloween styles as well, 3D inflated, I think they would smash it. They would absolutely make huge amounts of money. This is one listing, recent listing of a 2-month-old, of a 4-month-old store, quite relatively new, making already in excess of $2,000 a month, which is amazing. I know it's got a sale on it, so I've got to take that into account. But guys, this is what I'm saying to you. You got to really make sure that you look and analyze. And even things like this, guys, look at this. You got the puffy Tumbler wrap, inflated Tumbler wrap, which people do actually look for. So you need to make sure that you get into this one if you're doing tumblers. But like I said, if you're not doing tumblers, this method of strategy of looking and searching and finding stuff is also does work. But this is a very, very quick way. I've just shown you a very, very quick way of how to quickly analyze, see what's trending, see what people are doing, what you can make money on, and how you can combine things. So this is the tip, guys. 3D inflated right now. You're looking at Halloween, you're looking at bundles, you're looking at the 20-ounce straight skinny because that's probably the most popular type, and the 3D element to it, yeah? 3D inflated with all of those elements combined, and that way you got your ingredients for the passive income that you're gonna make, guys. That's the one to do. Guys, hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. Don't forget to check out my other strategies, SEO. All my videos are there, all my playlists. Check it out. Check out how to design tumblers. See you on the next one.